Hey everybody, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. But let me ask you a question. If you decide you were going to go paint a room, where would you get your supplies? If you said Home Depot or Lowe's, you clicked on the wrong video for that. No, go stop at Dollar Tree first. I got all these items from Dollar Tree, and the 3 that have a little star beside of them, they came in a pack. So I got all of those for just $1. There are some other items that you are going to need from Dollar Tree, but I didn't buy them this time because I had plenty of them at home. Now let's keep it real. You can't get all of your supplies from Dollar Tree, obviously. You're going to need to invest in a good quality roller such as this one, and of course your paint. I did save the Dollar Tree roller to paint my ceiling though. Now I'm going to start with filling all the holes that I have in my wall with this vinyl spackle, which does take some time to dry. But once it does dry, I'm just going to sandpaper it down to the wall to give it a nice smooth surface. Now you can also use something called Dry Dex. Dry Dex, it comes out pinkish purple, and you fill it into the walls, and then when it dries it turns white. Here's some that I have over here that still kind of got that pinkish purple look to it, so that's not dry yet. You also need to scrape or sandpaper down any kind of debris that's on the walls as well. Then I got my painter's tape and I started taping down every inch of this bathroom, every corner that I didn't want painted, all around the mirrors, all around the window, the door frame, everywhere. This took 2 rolls of tape. And it was the most time-consuming part of the job for some reason. Then I removed my light fixture because I was going to replace it with a bit of a smaller light fixture, so I needed to get some paint under that. And I removed all the outlet covers. I used the smaller paint tray so I could carry it around with me to paint all the edges of the bathroom. And I started off by putting a heavier coat of paint on the edges and then fading it out from away from the corner of the wall. So when I paint with the roller, I don't have to get close to the edges at all. I chose to paint this bathroom gray because the rest of my house is gray. I never really liked this color, so it's always been on my to-do list to paint it, and I'm just now getting to it. My son's a little upset with me because blue is his favorite color, but he likes regular blue. This is sky blue. This isn't even his favorite color, so he'll get over it. I mean, he's lucky I gave him a bedroom, right? But yes, I'm ready for this bathroom to look like a guest bathroom. So I'm excited. These pipe covers can just be pulled from the wall so you could paint around them, and then you could just push them back. But please make sure you allow the paint to dry first before you push them back. I'm just saying. You guys, I am telling you, this little miniature set that I got for $1 is working magic. From the little paint tray to the brush, this little roller right here, I was able to paint every inch around my toilet with this little thing. And not only that, I got the window sill, I got the little small area where the mirror and the sink meet. This $1 was so well spent. I love this thing. Okay, now it's time to go ahead and get out the big roller and the roller wand and connect them and go ahead and start painting the rest of the wall and filling in the gaps and do it in a W motion. Okay, and this is how everything looked after the first coat of paint. Now you could wait for this to dry about 2 to 4 hours, or if you're like me, I'm tired and I'm going to finish up again the next day. So I am going to bag everything up so it stays nice and moist. I'm going to put the paint brushes, the rollers, the trays, just tie them up in a plastic bag or a trash bag, and it'll be set for the next day. The small bags, you can even put them in the refrigerator if you like. And here is how it looks after it has cured to the wall for a whole day. And now I'm about to get ready to start my second coat of paint. With the second coat, you're going to do everything you did with the first coat. I'm going to start painting around the edges again in the same motion, fading the paint out. And then I'm going to roll on the second coat. And this is how it turned out. It's smooth and shiny and easy to clean. I love it. So I only spent $6 at Dollar Tree and $36 at Lowe's. So this turned out to be a $42 paint job, which is not too bad. If you want to see how I decorated this bathroom, you could click on the link in the description below. And like always, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any future notifications. And see you guys next time. Bye.